Perfect kitchens are those that give the chef absolute control to craft the perfect cuisine. Perfect results come from the mastery of temperature. A deep knowledge of the science of food preservation and cooking has allowed us to optimize temperature across a collection of luxury appliances. By understanding which cooking method, temperature, and heat type you need for perfect flavour and texture, you can choose the best appliance solution to suit your needs. High-performing products working seamlessly together, bringing flexibility and precision to your fingertips. We've mastered temperature so you can create perfect results. Kitchen perfection. Fisher Paykel.